After you log in with your school, classroom, or personal account, you'll see the Creative Cloud Express homepage. You can always return here by clicking this icon in the top left. To get started, select a template best suited for video, such as a slideshow. Add a title, then choose one of the available templates or choose Start from Scratch. Add new slides by clicking the plus button in the bottom left. Add content to a slide with the central plus button. You can add text, upload your own videos and images, or search through the built-in image and icon libraries for royalty-free content. Record voice narration by clicking and holding the microphone button as you speak. Click again to re-record. Decide the best sharing option for you and your classroom. You can share via a public link, collaborate with someone, or send your work directly to Google Drive, Google Classroom, or Microsoft Teams.